Good evening dear students. In the last class we are doing the exercise 5 up to the question 7th. Today we are doing the question number 8. Question number 8 is what fraction of an hour is 24 minutes? So we know that in 1 hour is 60 minutes. So required fraction is 24 upon 60. We are cancel out 12 2 ja 24 and 12 5 ja 60. So 2 upon 5. Required fraction is 2 upon 5. Fraction of an hour is 24 minutes. Next is question number 9. How many natural numbers are there from 2 to 10? From 2 to 10 means we are started from 2 and go up to the 10. What fraction of them are prime numbers? So first we are write the natural numbers from 2 to 10. So total how many natural numbers? There are total 9 natural numbers from 2 to 10. And they are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So these are the 9 natural numbers from 2 to 10. Now we have to find what fraction of them are prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers that have only 2 factors. So out of this one the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. In these there are the 4 prime numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So the required fraction is 4 upon 9. Prime numbers are 4 and total numbers are 9. So the required fraction is 4 upon 9. Next is question number 10. Question number 10 is determine 2 upon 3 of 15 pence. 2 upon 3 of 15 pence means 2 upon 3 into 15. Now 3 1 ja 3 and 3 5 ja 15. So answer is 2 into 5. 2 into 5 means 10 pence. Similarly 2 upon 3 of 27 balls. 2 upon 3 into 27. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 9 ja 27. So 2 into 9. 2 into 9 is 18 balls. Then 2 upon 3 of 36 balloons. So 2 upon 3 of means into 36. Denominator is cut by the numerator. So 3 1 ja 3 and 3 12 ja 36. 2 into 12. 2 into 12 means equal 24 balloons. Now the question number 12. Neelam has 25 pencils. She gives 4 upon 5 of them to Meena. How many pencils does Meena get and how many pencils are left with Neelam? So Meena get 4 upon 5 of 25. 4 upon 5 of 25 means 4 upon 5 into 25. Then 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. Answer is 4 into 5. 4 into 5 means 20 pencils. Meena get 20 pencils. Now number of pencils left with Neelam. Neelam have the 25 pencils. Out of this 20 pencils gave to the Meena. Then how many pencils are remain? 25 minus 20. 5 pencils are remain. So 5 pencils are left with Neelam. Now the question number 13. Represent each of the following fraction on the number line. So here first one is 3 upon 8. So first we are see the denominator. For the denominator there is 8. So in between 0 and 1 we are making how many equal parts? 8 equal parts. For making the 8 equal parts, 8th part is 1. So 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6. This is 6 and then 7. So we are making how many equal parts there? 8 equal parts. And then we are going on which part? That is in the numerator. Numerator is 3. So third part represent the 3 upon 8. So 1, 2 and 3. This third part P represent the 3 upon 8. Next is 5 upon 9. 5 upon 9 for this one. First we make the line, number line. And then we are make the how many equal parts? In between 0 and 1, 9 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Here we are making the 9 equal parts. Here we are making the 9 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And ninth part is 1. Then we are count the fifth part because we are represent the 5 upon 9. The fifth part is 5 upon 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one 5 is 5 upon 9. So P point is represent 5 upon 9. Next is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4, in between the 0 and 1 we are making how many equal parts? 4. So first 1, this is second, and this is third, and fourth part is 1. And remember always, when we are making the fourth part is 1. When we are making 9 equal parts, ninth part is 1. When we are making the 8 equal parts, eighth part is 1. And for this one we are go on the 1 because numerator is 1. So first part represent 1 upon 4. So the point P represent the 1 upon 4. Similarly, you are doing these other questions. Your homework is to complete the exercise 5A in your copy. Thank you.